Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight this foldable lap desk that I just got sent. Now I wanted to just show you what it looks like all folded up so that you guys can see how compact this is and how easy it is to store when you're not using it. I love that. If things don't get compact, it's so frustrating to me to have because then it just takes up space. So I love this because this would be easy to slide under a desk, under a bed, wherever you want it. Super, super compact and easy to use. Now, I love it because it actually unfolds into quite a good sized desk, which is amazing. So all that you're gonna do to unfold it is you're just gonna pull and it just is gonna open up right here. Now you can see when you open up right here, you have these little legs. So these legs are just gonna click out and then you've got yourself a really, really nice lap desk. Now I actually love this. I'm currently in grad school right now and I feel like I'm doing homework all the time. But I'm sick of sitting at a desk or sitting at my kitchen table or sitting wherever. I want to be comfortable sometimes. And this allows me to get everything I need done from the comfort of my couch or my bed or wherever I want to be. So I want to show you, here's my computer and I can fit my computer, and I also could have plenty of room for a notebook, for an iPad, for whatever it is that I need right here, and it is perfect. It also has a cup holder, which I love. That makes it super functional. So like I said, they're trying to give you the comfort of a desk, but not having to sit at a desk, which is brilliant. I absolutely love that. We also have these little areas back here that you could string cords through if you needed to, so that they don't have to come up and over the top. But you guys, this thing is amazing. It's a beautiful top. I love the color of it, but I just can't get over how functional it is. This is amazing. And it's not teeny. I feel like a lot of times you get these and it's like, whoop, barely fits over your lap. You really can't fit anything on it, but this is spacious. Like I said, I can fit my computer and a notebook or an iPad to take notes on, no problem. I also have room for my drink, and they thought of having the charging cord cables right there too. So if you guys are on the hunt for a better option than having to sit at a desk 24/7, I highly recommend checking this one out. This would be perfect if you are working, if you're in school, for kiddos, if they want to be able to color on something while they're on the couch. It's just so versatile and so functional. So make sure you guys hop on and check this one out.